welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how I realized this flyer using Pixellab. Yeah, this is a professional birthday flyer design. Looking at this design, you think Photoshop was used to realize the design, but no, I used Pixellab to realize the design. And before we march onto this tutorial, there are 3 apps I would like you to download. First, I would like you to download Pixellab. This is a Pixellab app. Secondly, I would like you to download Photoshop Express. This is how it looks like, Photoshop Express. And lastly, I would like you to download Snapseed. This is Snapseed. This is how it looks like, that's the icon. So right away, let us launch our Pixellab. This is how the interface of a Pixellab looks like. So we'll be doing this design, this birthday flyer design. Now in this design, there are some few things I want you to note here. What made this design to be beautiful is not the way the design was being made. Actually, it's the way I utilize my resources. It's the way I put my resources in place. Yeah, what do I mean? You can have resources, but yet to realize a specific design will be difficult. So yeah, the first resource I used here was the background. Secondly, that the golden leaves you are seeing, thirdly, happy birthday and fourth, and lastly, the image you are seeing. So I used about 4 resources just to realize this design. So now I'll go to my Pixellab. I will import that background. Before I do that, please, if you have to have these resources at the end of this video, I would like you to click on that subscribe button. Yeah, click on that subscribe button. You clicking on that subscribe button will mean that you get all my resource package. So if you have not yet clicked on that subscribe button, please do. And please, if you have not yet clicked on that notification bell, please do like this video so that many people can get access to it. And again, go to the comment section and type in birthday flyer design. You doing this is a passport of you having my resource package. Okay, so with that said, I will import the various resources. If you are still new to Pixellab and you don't know how to import resources, you come here, you click here, click on this office. Yeah, then you click from gallery, this one. Now we take you to your gallery. From there, now you can import any image you wish to import. So I will go straight away to WhatsApp business. It's taking some time to load. Okay, let me look for the design for the background here. Oops, the background is not here. Let me go to my download folder. There should be here. Okay, this is the background. Okay, so I will enlarge this background. Make sure it covers the whole of that working space. They come here and ensure that it is at the center. Click here and close the background so that it will not be mobile. Again, the next I have to import is the image. So I'll go to gallery. This is the image. Let me enlarge the image a bit. So make sure to the image is at the center. Let me bring it down a bit. Okay, so now what I will do is I will click on shapes. This is shapes in front of me. Okay, so we do this gymnastic here. I will come on to where I have color. I'll click on gradient and I do a good job. Click on this black over white, click on this plus sign. Okay, then now after click on that plus sign, click on this icon here. Now this one, I will take this one to my left, click OK. Then I will take this one, I shift this one a bit to my right. Yeah, click OK. So now we will rotate this and place here, bring up a bit, do a copy of it, place here, do another copy and place here. Okay, hope I am on track. Okay, I just hope I'm on track. Okay, let me leave it this way. That image, I'll close this, I'll shift the image up a bit. Okay, yeah, so what's left now is for me now to put in my text, happy birthday. Happy birthday, I will import the text. Okay, so this is my happy birthday text. What I will do is, have it a bit. I'll come to erase color, click on erase color, click enable, rotate a bit, click OK. I change the color to white. Okay, place here. Let me change the dimension of this design. Let me take the height to be 1400. Okay, so now this one's I'll bring this one down a bit. Okay, yeah, take this one up a bit. Make sure I close this and this. Okay, happy birthday to you. Let me input the name. Now this is just a fictional birthday flyer design, so I'll input any name here. Let me put Salima Haitu. Salima Haitu. Okay, so I'll reduce. Let me check the size. I'll keep the size at 15. Then I'll come to spacing. Put a spacing at 46. Make sure it aligns at the center well. Or let me shift it a bit. Okay, Salima Haitu. Okay, say you are loved and celebrated. That's the next one. You are loved and celebrated. You are loved, celebrated. Okay, so we reduce this. Let me check the size, 15. Then now I will do some spacing here, 46. Okay. So now just put at the center. Okay, you are loved and celebrated. Okay, now let me just put that golden leaflet. So this is a golden leaflet. I will enlarge, place behind. I hope I'm the right track. Okay, let me close this. Right now let me put in the date. What's the date of today? The date of today is 6, so rather 4th of May. Yeah, so now I will come to style, I click B, bold. Now I want to reduce the line spacing. Come to line spacing, reduce it. Okay, reduce a bit. Leave it at 30. Okay, so what's left again? I think that's all. Yeah, 25. Okay, let me add the line spacing a bit. Okay, so this is the design. Now I want to enhance the quality of this design. I want to enhance this quality. So what will I do now? I will save this. Let me save this first. Let me choose Ultra, save. Okay, the design has been saved. Now I will go to my Snapseed, one of the apps I asked you to download. I'll go to that app now and do some editing. This is Snapseed here. This is Snapseed. So I'll just click on it. Click here. I think that's the most recent image here. Oops, sorry. Okay, so I'll click on these tools. This one, tools. Come to curves. Take the curves up a bit. Click OK. Click on the same tools. I'll come to HD arrow. Skip this one. Come here. Yeah, so I'll just regulate. I'll leave it at 25. Alright, let me leave it at 30. Okay. What again? Click the same tools. I go to tonal contrast. Yes, tonal contrast. I click OK. Go to tools again. Go to portrait. This portrait here. I want to work on the face now. The face spotlight. Still loading. Okay, so I'll increase this face spotlight to 20, 25 or 30. Let me leave it at 30. I'll go to skin smoothing, increase it to 100. Go to eye clarity, 100. Click OK. So I'll go back to tools. I'll go to which one again? I think that's all. So I'll click on export. Click share. So I'll be sharing now this design to Photoshop Express, the last app I asked you to download. That's why I'll be sharing this design to. So I'll go to my Photoshop Express. This here, click on it. So I'll click on this design. Okay, now I'll come down here to adjustment, this one here. Click on it. This I will increase it a bit to 30. Come to sharpen, increase it to 150. Come to dehaze, increase dehaze to some value to 30. Okay, come to contrast, the same 30. Wow, so I think this is a design. Yeah, I've been able to realize the design, but let me reduce this contrast to 10. The same, let me reduce the DH to 10. Okay, so this is a design. We are done designing, so I'll click on next. I'll click save to gallery. So this is what I've been able to design so far. Yeah, like I told you from the beginning, if you want to get the full resource package, please subscribe on that, hit on that subscribe button, and also hit the like button, hit on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. And again, I will not put the gifts I want to give you under the description. If you ever want to join my online graphic design training class, click on the description, you get access to the class. And again, share this video to about 10 groups, at least 5 WhatsApp groups. Once you have done that, you screenshot and send to me. My WhatsApp bot will be placed at the description. You send to me and will be approved, and you have the gift. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.